into. We're at this garage here. Communications failure. We're at this garage here in Des Moines, the 4th and Grand ramp. It's getting cold. Interesting. Someone stole the cover off the fan. Oh dear. Smells. Oh wow, this thing is just great. Huh. I assume that's the motor room. Here's the exit. There's another elevator down there. This button's red.
Going down.
Back down to 1. I know. Well, yeah, we'll just go down. This thing is a little sketchy. Huh, it used to be 4 and 1.5. Anyway, that's all.